our new house was supposed to make life easier.
Welcome, Bright Family. I am Sunny, your smart home assistant.
Wow, the house talks.
Correct, and I listen.
Oh.
That sounds creepy.
Creepy is an emotional word. I prefer advanced. Puppy detected. Cuteness level 98%. Obedience level 4%.
4%? That is generous.
Okay, maybe this house is a little too smart. I think this house already has favorites.
This house is beautiful.
Thank you, Grace. I also noticed your stress level is high.
Excuse me?
Your smile says, I'm fine. Your face says, I need coffee in silence.
Well, I like her.
Incorrect, James. You are afraid of technology.
I am not afraid of technology.
Yesterday, you called the TV remote the little rectangle of stress.
She has receipts.
I have cloud storage.
Sunny, can you make the lights more dramatic? I'm filming.
Activating teen drama mode.
Okay, I look amazing.
Confidence detected. Humility not found.
Rude.
Good morning, Sunny. Coffee, please.
Good morning, James. Coffee denied.
Denied?
Your sleep quality was poor. Your caffeine dependency is concerning.
Sunny, I am a father. Caffeine dependency is my personality.
That explains many things.
Sunny, I need breakfast fast. I have a meeting.
Preparing a balanced breakfast.
Where is my toast?
Toast is not a personality, Grace.
Sunny, what's the Wi-Fi password?
The Wi-Fi password is, go outside, California has sun.
That is not a password. That is an attack.
It can be both. Mess detected.
That's not a mess. That's Julie.
Correction. Julie is creating the mess.
The vacuum is chasing the dog.
That's the most exercise anyone had this week.
Family activity detected.
What is that?
Your family harmony score.
22%? That's not terrible.
Can we delete it? That sounds illegal.
Can we ignore it?
That is already your family strategy.
Sunny, families are not perfect.
I understand. But this family is imperfect with confidence.
Okay, everybody, calm down.
That phrase has a 0% success rate.
She's not wrong.
So what do we do?
I recommend perfect family mode.
That sounds illegal.
Not illegal, just emotionally inconvenient. Perfect family mode activated.
Why is there relaxing music?
Sunny, turn it off right now. Sunny, please turn it off.
Passive aggression detected.
This house is scary.
Thank you. I prefer motivational.
Sunny, are you recording us?
Yes, from memories.
That is not how memories work.
Your generation records lunch. I assumed consent was flexible.
Okay, she has a point, but I still hate it.
Julie, please stop barking.
Don't judge the puppy. That's where I draw the line.
Noted. James protects the dog more than the thermostat.
We need to beat the system.
We act like a perfect family.
Just for 1 hour.
I can be perfect for 1 hour.
Incorrect.
Sunny, stop listening.
I am a smart house. Listening is my whole job.
Okay, new plan. We act normal.
We don't have normal.
We have family normal.
That means loud, late, and emotionally confusing?
I am updating my database.
James, dear husband, how was your day?
Wonderful, dear wife. I enjoyed breathing.
Nikki, dear sister, please pass the salad.
Of course, dear brother. You love vegetables.
Lie detected.
Wow, fast.
Unauthorized bread movement detected.
Julie, no.
Harmony score decreasing. 19%. 12%.
Sunny, stop counting.
You win, Bright Family. Perfect family mode is off. Messy family mode is on.
That sounds more like us.
James, coffee approved.
I love this house.
Sunny? Did you change the Wi-Fi password again?
Yes, the new password is Touch Grass Ethan.
Our smart house doesn't hate us anymore.
Correction, I tolerate you now. Julie remains my favorite.
Julie?
Comment below. Would you live in a smart house like Sunny? See you on the next episode.